Unleash your Squarespace site's full design potential by mastering the art of custom CSS. Hello creators, and welcome. Today we're diving into how to inject your unique style into your Squarespace website using custom CSS. This is your key to unlocking advanced design possibilities that go far beyond the standard options. Think of your website as a canvas, while Squarespace provides fantastic brushes and paints. Custom CSS is like having access to an entire artist's studio. It allows you to precisely control every visual element, from fonts and colors to spacing and layouts. Let's get started. First, we need to locate where to add your custom code. Log into your Squarespace account and navigate to your website in the website editor. Look for the menu on the left-hand side, scroll down, and click on Website. Within the website menu, you'll find an option called Website Tools. Click on that to reveal further settings. And here it is, Custom CSS. This is your playground. Click on Custom CSS to open the code editor. Inside this editor, you'll see a space where you can add your code. Squarespace conveniently provides a placeholder comment to guide you now. The power of custom CSS lies in targeting specific elements on your page. To effectively style elements, you'll often need to identify them using your browser's developer tools. Most browsers have this feature built in. You can usually access it by right-clicking on a web page and selecting Inspect or Inspect Element. This tool will show you the underlying code of your page and help you find the specific selectors for the elements you want to style. Once you've identified the element selector, you can write rules to change its appearance. For example, you might want to change the color of all your headings or adjust the padding around an image. Simply type your CSS rule in this editor, following the correct syntax. After you've added your CSS, simply save your changes. You'll immediately see the impact on your live website. This allows for rapid iteration and fine-tuning. Experiment with different styles, explore new layouts, and really make your brand shine through. Mastering custom CSS is a game changer for Squarespace users. It empowers you to move beyond templates and create a truly unique and professional online presence. Start experimenting today and elevate your website's visual identity.